In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Clickup. Whether you've recently switched to a new email or just need to update your account information, changing your email address in Clickup is a quick and straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make the update, step by step, and ensure your account stays secure during the process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, log in to your Clickup account and head over to your main dashboard. If you're not already familiar with Clickup, it's a powerful productivity and project management platform that helps teams and individuals stay organized. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is where all your personal and account settings are located. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the option that says Settings. After you've entered the settings page, scroll down or locate the section labeled My Settings. This is where you'll see your current email address displayed. To change it, simply click on the field, delete the old email, and type in your new email address. Make sure to double-check for any typos before moving forward. Once you've entered your new email, look to the lower right corner of the page and click the button that says Save Changes. This step ensures that your updated email is submitted for processing. Now, to confirm your identity and secure your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully and proceed. This step adds an extra layer of security to make sure only you can update your account settings. Finally, head over to the inbox of the new email address you just provided. You should receive a verification email from Clickup. Open it and follow the instructions inside to complete the process. This may involve clicking on a verification link or entering a code. Once verified, your email address will be officially updated on your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address in Clickup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.